This is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I will show how you can change the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Caffeine. So launch the Play Store, find the Caffeine Keep Screen On app by Caffeine developer. So here it is. Now let's quickly install it. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. Then make sure that the timeout parameter is set to be at the infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app remains active in the background, so make sure not to turn it off, your screen will not automatically go to sleep. So that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.